Foshan Rayven Lighting Company Limited, set up in 2010. It is located in Lighting Hardware Manufacturing Center, Nanhai, Foshan, with an area of over 8,800 square meters. Our main products range is LED downlight, LED shop light, gimbal light, LED track light, LED module, magnetic track light, office lighting, and different kinds of commercial lighting qualified with SAA, EMC, TUV, CE, RoHS, strictly followed EU electrical standards. Our production capabilities now is up to 300,000 pieces per month. With over 165 workers, we also have SMT-free dust room to produce Rayven driver, individual painting workshop to control finishing, ensure the right finishing in ODM, as well as tooling workshop, help customers speed up product development. We can provide ODM and OEM services in a strong R&D team. More than 20 engineers working with us offer customers quick solution for ODM design, make prototype as well as different dimmable driver solutions to meet various customers' dimmer requirements. Thanks to our strict QC system, IQC, IPQC, FQC, controlled failure rate less than 0.03% in 2018. Rayven has got SGS ISO 9001, 2015 BSCI SEDEX approvals. We are confident to offer 3 and 5 years warranty on our products.